Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, residents of South Trelawney have been left stunned following the shocking news that their Member of Parliament, Marisa Dalrymple-Philibert, has decided to quit.
She's been MP for 16 years, and there was an expectation that she would have been the Jamaica Labour Party's standard bearer when the next general election is called.
But as our reporter Anthony Lugg reports, that is not the case, and residents have been reacting. Here is his report.
Disappointment and dismay in South Trelawney Friday, less than 24 hours after MP Marisa Dalrymple-Philibert signaled her intention to resign.
Miss D, we have beg you. Just resign from the House Speaker and come back to Member of Parliament. We have beg you. We have beg you.
Sir, I do not even know. Believe me, sir, I don't sleep. I don't sleep last night. I live in her shirt until she said, Miss Rose, take it off.
Mrs. Dalrymple-Philibert has been embroiled in controversy after the Integrity Commission ruled that she faced criminal charges for failing to declare her ownership of a Mercedes-Benz in her statutory declarations for 7 years. The MP has argued she has nothing to hide. However, she bowed to pressure to step down as House Speaker, then the shocking announcement that she was resigning as MP.
She's somebody who keeps close to the ground. So I don't have anything to be hammering her about to saying that, yes, all of us do forget.
I know she was going to go because she had indicated that she's not going back. You know, I wanted her to go out in glory. I didn't want her to leave this way.
As we journeyed through the divisions within the constituency, it was the talk of the town. The people raised concerns about the possible impact of the MP's resignation, pointing to a series of ongoing projects. Others were emotional.
A lot of us feel it, a lot of us cry, a lot of us was sad. Last night my phone couldn't keep, none at all. It ring right through from my ear right back till this morning. I don't shut me a little while, I feel bad, and the council caretaker give me a cup of tea. I bring a sweet sap, see it right here? See it here right, and I can't eat it because my stomach full. Yeah. You see, so me ask her if she can just resign from the house, but not from South Trelawney.
Mrs. Dalrymple-Philibert first became MP for South Trelawney following the 2007 general election. At that time, she defeated the PNP by over 6,000 votes. Now, this news that she intends to resign may trigger a by-election, but the residents here are making one thing clear.
You have to come better than Marisa, and you have to good to come better than Marisa, because the people of South Trelawney deserve a good Member of Parliament. You understand? Because we are a hard-working set of people, we are an independent set of people, and we deserve a hard-working Member of Parliament.
No PMP can win a South Trelawney. No PMP. Anybody come here, Labour right straight.
Mrs. Dalrymple-Philibert has been MP for Southern Trelawney since 2007. Her decision to quit has also taken the JLP by surprise. Now the party is left to find a suitable candidate to face the electorate. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.